What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I was gonna make an entire video out of that car meet, but my buddies left a little bit early and I wasn't gonna go walk around there alone because I don't like walking around car meets alone. But today, well, today's hot. It's very hot. I'm very tired. I've been outside like all day in the heat today. Went to the mall with my friends, played basketball. Very, very hot day. And hopefully the air conditioning is really good in this car because it hasn't been performing that well in the heat. But today I wanted to make a small little video on a common question I've gotten, because you keep seeing these memes about like boosted Civics and Civics gapping cars. And the thing is, this Civic is very slow, and I don't even have a way to sugarcoat it. It's just a very slow car, and I think it's kind of fun to do like a how slow is this car actually. So just to give you some background on engines and whatnot, this car has a D16Y7 in it, and it's completely bone stock. The only modification done to this car as of like performance wise is it's got a full exhaust, headers and back. It's all catless. I think there's a small muffler and I think there's one resonator, but other than that, it's completely open. Sounds like complete, but it's an old car and Hondas sound like lawnmowers half the time. So we're gonna do a little 0 to 60 test in the lawnmower. So we have to go to Mexico because I don't want to get in trouble in Pennsylvania. So we had to go all the way to Mexico. It's about like an 18-hour drive to get there, but like we'll get there real quick. And then we're gonna do a little bit of a 0 to 60 test. And I don't really know how I wanna do this because I don't have a GoPro, I don't have my small camera, I don't have any of my window mounts for this camera. So we're gonna try to like figure this out and the best way to do it, because I wanna time it on my phone. I guess I could just time it on here and just like play it back. We'll figure something out. But we're gonna do a little 0 to 60 test for you guys just to see how slow this car actually is. Now the way I think I'm actually gonna do this, because I can't really drive and like record all of this at the same time because this camera is kind of big. I think I'm gonna record it on my phone when I actually do it and just upload that onto my computer and, you know, do the thing, because I can hold my phone and hold the steering wheel at the same time and shift while recording it all. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna try to find the flattest surface here out in Mexico, because I don't want to do it up or down hills because that's gonna give me fake numbers. Now let's go with expectations versus realities here. I think it's gonna be about 10 seconds 0 to 60. This car is very slow. It's not quick at all, but we'll see what happens. The hardest part is finding like a non-residential area and like a flat area too. But we'll find it. But my assumption is gonna be about 10 seconds. I want you guys to put your guys' guesses down below as well, because I'll just make a little bit of a game out of it. Now I gotta find like a good runway here, because I don't wanna have like too short of an area and me never get to 60, because that's not fun. So we're gonna try to find this area, so be patient and we'll get there. Apparently, in my area, it's a lot harder to find a flat, straight strip of land than like I originally thought. And like I tried filming 2 of them and I didn't get to 60 before I either hit a hill or I hit like a turn. So like we're trying, but like this is a lot tougher than I thought it was gonna be. I thought I was gonna like take 2 turns. You know, as soon as you cross the border, I thought it was just gonna be right there. It's a nice straight land, but apparently that Mexico isn't like that anymore. Apparently these days Mexico is very hilly, has like mountains and stuff. I never knew, but we're on the search still. So as you guys can clearly see, the car stock is very, very slow. Now, it doesn't mean it's not fun. I think this car is an absolute blast. Yeah, it doesn't get up going fast. And also my shifting could have been really terrible because I don't have RPMs, which I should probably get a gauge thing for that just so I can see when to shift and whatnot. But I think driving wise, that felt pretty average because I didn't want to have it like hit red line and kick off because then you lose power and blah, blah, blah. But it's not very fast, and it's still a fun car, and the mods that I have on the way will make the car more fun. No, it's not a turbo yet, but it's gonna make the car more fun, I think. And also, when doing that whole driving thing, I think this car might actually have a slight tune on it. And there's two reasons why I say that. One, this car's completely catless and it doesn't throw any codes. And that's not normal because it should throw a code. You plug a my code reader into it and it knows it doesn't have cats. So maybe it's not like tuned out completely, but it's not throwing an engine light, and I know the engine light works in this car because I've flipped it by accident before. So I'm not sure what that is, but two, if I'm running at like a higher RPM and I slightly touch the gas, now it's very hard to do that because my gas pedal, it's sticky, but it doesn't like stick down, but like you go down, you can't just go like this, it kind of goes like, it's like, it's hard to explain what I mean by that. But if I do it like feathering, like I do my BRZ, the exhaust pops. I'm not sure if that's supposed to happen, or if my timing's bad, if there's a tune on it, like a slight popcorn tune. It's hard to hear it on this exhaust. This exhaust isn't the loudest. So I was trying to catch it on camera, but I really couldn't. I tried, but you won't be able to hear it on camera. So I'm not sure. And a third thing I wanted to touch on was I saw an EK Civic, same color as this, that's completely smashed, like 2 or 3 blocks from my house. And I'm gonna go and knock on his door, I think, and ask if I can take some parts, because your boy needs a new cluster, your boy needs a new window visor. So maybe we can get some of that stuff for free, or I'll flip him 20 bucks or something, and maybe we can get that stuff, because that'd be super dope just to clean up the Civic a little bit just by finding a smashed one. Now I'm saying his car's total also because you can see the airbag went off, and usually that means your car's totaled. And lastly, before we end it, I'm not sure when I'm gonna have another video out. It could be a couple days, it could be a couple weeks. I don't know what that sound was. I don't know what my next video is gonna be because I am finally getting my laptop fixed. And if you haven't seen my laptop, the screen doesn't work anymore. So my dog jumped on my bed and nicked it with her nail and the screen broke. And I was still using it for a while, and then I bought an iPad to use that as a screen. And I've been like that for like a couple months, and it's been fine. It's honestly been fine, but now the screen just shuts off after like 20 seconds, and sometimes you can't connect the iPad to it because I can't see the screen, so I have to close it and open it, and then close and open it to see where the setting is and get it all to work, and sometimes it just doesn't want to do the thing. So we finally have an appointment with Apple to get the laptop fixed, so hopefully they get fast and speedy with it, but at the same time, with all this COVID stuff, it could take a little bit of time. I'm just hoping it's really fast. So I wanted this video to be, I guess, shorter, because I don't know, I just didn't have too much to say because my parts are still coming in. It should be here like any day now. My FedEx tracking is saying it's literally it's the next state over, it's in New Jersey, so it could be any day where my parts come. The latest it said was September 2nd, which would suck, but like it's only a week away, so I guess it's not too bad. Wow, September's already right around the corner, that's crazy. But we will have a cool install coming for the Civic, and I'm super excited to do that. So I'm gonna leave you guys off here though, so comment, like, subscribe, keep doing all that fun stuff, keep doing you, stay motivated. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out and peace.